In this video, we'll talk about tomorrow's Nifty 50 analysis and two stocks to observe for tomorrow. And please note, this is only for a complete educational purpose and this is not a trading recommendation. I'm not telling you buy or sell. I'm only talking about support and resistance level for an educational purpose. Okay. So firstly, let's talk about Nifty 50. And we can see here today Nifty 50 has come in bit of a downside. Okay. So the market was in a bit of a bearish way for the day. So we can see here the market today has opened somewhere close to 24,100 level. Okay. And later that it has just moved up and went up till 24,175. Okay, so almost 70 to 60 points upward movement is only what we have got, and that too in a very slow phase. Yes, the market was actually a bit of a sideways for the day. Okay, so after making that high, 24175 has acted as a main resistance level for the day. And from that price, you can see here the market has entirely come down for the day and it has closed somewhere close to 24,000 level. So we can see here the maximum low what it has made is somewhere close to 23,980 level. Okay, so actually 24,000 level is acted as a one of a support level for the day. So let's see how the market will perform in an upcoming day. Okay, and for tomorrow what you can do is just see that tomorrow's Nifty 50 opening price and add opening price plus 230 to find out the maximum high or a resistance point, and opening price plus 115 to find out the key resistance point, and opening price minus 230 to find out the maximum low or a support point, and opening price minus 115 to find out the key support point. Okay, so this is about Nifty 50 analysis, and now I'll be telling you the two stocks to observe for tomorrow, and again that's also for educational purpose. Okay, so before that, I'm a trader with 10 years plus of experience. You can just go inside my channel to watch a lot of educational videos and a lot of trade analysis videos to improve your trading skill and knowledge. And also you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on my description box. Okay, and also there is my Telegram link, so you can go to the description box and check the detail, and if you guys wish to get the personal support from me, you can join us now. Okay, so now let's talk about the two stocks to observe for tomorrow. So the first stock will be Dr. Reddy. Okay, so Dr. Reddy, as you guys can see here, today the stock has gone in a bullish way. Okay, so you can see only at the ending of the day after the 1 o'clock, then that's the price when it has dropped. Okay, so it has touched the highest point of 1367 and today it has come down 20 points after that, so it has closed around 1347. So for this stock what you can do is just see the tomorrow's opening price and add opening price plus 40 to find out the maximum high or a resistance point, and opening price plus 20 to find out the key resistance point, and opening price minus 40 to find out the maximum low or a support point, and opening price minus 20 to find out the key support point. Okay, and the next stock will be Axis Bank. So Axis Bank has been bit bearish through last continuous few days. If you guys can see in the chart, from almost 1 week the stock is completely bearish. Okay, so even today you can see from the minute of opening the stock was completely down. The highest point is 1321 for the day and the lowest point is 1285 for the day. So you can see how drastically the stock has been quite falling, but the volatility and the momentum is still there in this stock. Okay, so for this stock what you can do is just see the tomorrow's opening price and add opening price plus 32 to find out the maximum high or a resistance point, and opening price plus 16 to find out the key resistance point, and opening price minus 32 to find out the maximum low or a support point, and opening price minus 16 to find out the key support point. Okay, so this is the educational analysis for tomorrow's market, guys. And if you guys wish to get to personally connect with me, do check out the description box. There is my Telegram link and also my number to connect with me personally. Okay, so I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.